Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Academy. Today's video is about ASM protocol that's launching on Coinbase Pro. This project is underrated. I want to do a price prediction and a quick overview for you guys. If you're not a member of our trading group, we just had a 6x, 10x return on a coin that we made, a call that we made, a crypto signal call. You could join us at cryptomillion.co. Or you could go to our Twitter page, just click here, Crypto Million. It'll take you directly to our Discord group and you could join, okay? So you just want to put in your email address, card number, you'll get an email and you'll be able to join the group, our Discord group. Okay, guys? And also check out the best altcoin that will make you rich on YouTube. I just dropped that off earlier today. But first of all, let's get this ASM protocol price prediction going. So, ASM protocol is launching on Coinbase Pro. Starting today, Wednesday, October 20th, transfer ASM into your Coinbase Pro account ahead of trading. Support for ASM will generally be available in Coinbase-supported jurisdictions with certain exceptions as indicated in each asset page here. Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. Pacific time, Thursday, October 21st, if liquidity conditions are met. It hits you with the nice logo here for Coinbase Pro and Assembly Pro. Assembly protocol. Now, you guys, I'm gonna give you some information. Assembly protocol is also on Coinbase custody, so this is for big accounts as well. So, Assembly protocol. So, what is it? Assembly protocol is the Ethereum token that powers Assemble, a platform where users and merchants can aggregate, manage, and spend reward points. On Assemble, point providers and retailers can run special events or promotions, providing discounts for ASM. ASM is not yet available on Coinbase.com or via consumer mobile apps. We will make a separate announcement if and when that support is added. So normally they add that support a couple of days later once the trading gets going. Here's the Assembly protocol website. I want to give you guys the website real quick. So Assemble is a Korean-based project, South Korean-based project. They have two apps. Well, they have one app, the Assembly app. You can use your points wisely. So Assembly protocol, they collaborate with this stat1.com and ClubPass, which cumulatively have a total of 750,000 users, 3,590 store shopping malls, and 181 club affiliates. This is a legit project that has a lot of users, almost 1 million users, and over over 181 club affiliates. They also have a mobile fashion curation commerce platform. The app has already had over 2.35 million downloads. They have over 500,000 members. They have shopping mall traffic over 15.1 million. So they're pretty big in this Korea area. ClubPass is also another app that they work with. ClubPass has over 500,000 downloads, over 200,000 members, and they have over 16 million ticket downloads. So ClubPass is like a ticketing service, and you get rewards for that. So Assembly protocol is a blockchain-based global point integration platform. The basic idea behind Assembly protocol is to provide its users with an unrestricted opportunity to use their points similarly as they use cash anywhere in the world without any time or place constraints, and to enable point providers and Assembly partners a pool of opportunities to further expand their businesses and access to a rich pool of users. So that's really cool, right? They have some little things. So Assembly provides the opportunity that enables an exchange of various points for a single token. The various points can be integrated and converted into a single ASM token or cashed out through a simple process. So basically it allows you to cash out your reward points that you gain from shopping at stores and different places, shopping malls. So they have the point provider, there's a point consumer, and then you have the point exchange, right? Now they have their team. Their team is visible, as you can see. Their team is mostly a Korean team. They're very highly, a team of these people are very highly educated. This is a very good team. Then their advisors. They have a lot of very good advisors as well. I'm not going to read to you their background. I'll let you guys go through and read the background. This site is assemblyprotocol.io. You can go there and read the background of the advisors. Here's what stuck out to me. The exchange and custody services on Coinbase Pro, Coinbase Custody, BitThumb, which is the biggest exchange in Korea. They have Gate.io and CoinOne. And then some of their partners, there's some big names in here. It's Oracle, Stat1, Lionheart, ClubPass, AKG Ventures, WanChain, HyperDAO, Blockchain Ventures, Hypergrowth. So they have some big names behind them as well. So what else can I tell you about Assembly protocol? Assembly protocol is currently up 179% on the 24-hour on CoinMarket Pro. 9.5, it's at 9.5 cents right now. It's at 3 cents yesterday, so it's at 9.5 cents right now. The market cap is $64 million, a low market cap. The circulating supply is 680 million tokens. Max supply is 1.3 billion tokens. Now, where can you buy that, and what's the market looking like, right? So the all-time high for a Simile token, I believe, happened yesterday. Well, 64 cents, 86%, 64 cents. So it has room to grow. Most of the market value right now is on the Korean exchange, BitThumb. 96% of the volumes is on BitThumb. But Uniswap also has 3% of the volume. Uniswap version 3, you can get it there if you're in America. And also, you can get on Coinbase Pro now if you would like to get it on Coinbase Pro. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting to see. This is definitely probably going to do well. I don't know how long, but... So this is the white paper. I'll let you guys go through that. Assemble your points on the blockchain. It's a good white paper. You can find that on the website. If you go all the way down to the bottom, there is white paper, I believe. Yep, white paper in English. You can read that. Get more information about the product. The price prediction, okay? So we're at 9.5 cents right now. By the end of 2021, this is predicting that we could be at 14 cents. By the end of 22, we could be at 16 cents. By the end of 2023, we could be at 18 cents. By the end of 2024, we could be at 23 cents. By the end of 2025, we could be at 26 cents. By the end of 2026, we could be at 31 cents. By the end of 2027, 37 cents. By the end of 2028, 41 cents. Now, I think if this catches a pump, the all-time high for this coin is, what, 64 cents? Could we return to 64 cents? I think we could. If there was a massive pump, we could definitely get there. We're already seeing volume flowing in tremendously. I think Coinbase is going to open up more volume. The volume right here says $471 million in volume. I'm going to check CoinGecko just to be sure about the volume pool here. Volume pool is right. Let's see the volume information is about the same on both. So yeah, CoinGecko is saying $512 million in volume as well. So it's a massive amount of volume coming into this token right now. So could we go back to that 64 cent mark? We could. So I think these predictions, take them with a grain of salt, they're very conservative. 13, 14 cents, 15 cents by the end of the year. That's very conservative predictions, okay? Also, if you want to join our group to get the crypto signals to get in early on these projects, go to cryptomillion.co. Cryptomillion.co is where you can get the ability to join our group and to get in early on these projects. Also, like I said, if you want to know the best altcoin that can make you rich, join our group, okay, at cryptomillion.co to get in and get the best altcoin that can make you rich. All right, guys, thanks for following the channel. Appreciate your support. God bless America. Let's treat each other good out there, okay? Signing off. Thank you, guys. Cryptomillion.co. Go to sign up, okay? Sign up now.